everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a retro style card using Japanese masking tape. So what I am going to do first is I'm going to fold this over like so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my channel name, so that way you can see what I'm doing. So I wrote my channel name, so what I'm going to do is take some tape just put it in random places. I'm going to do the same thing with the blue one. Like so. Just keep putting them in random places. Like so. And this is what you have. So it could be from anything that you want. And this is made out of masking tape. So I did that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write something on here. Going to create my own So as you can see, I wrote a serial number on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing on the back side. Most cards do not have designs on the back of them. So same thing. Just like that. There you have it. You have design both on the front of the card and the back of the card. And this is just Japanese masking tape. Pretty cool, huh? Simple, easy project for a family member, someone who likes retro design or whatever like that. So that's what the final product looks like. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.